Welcome back to our Flutter AdMob Mastery course. In this lecture, we will focus on enabling test ads specifically for physical device testing. When developing apps with AdMob integration, it's critical to use test ads on your devices. Using real ads during development, it's against Google policies and can lead to account suspension for invalid activity. Today, I will show you how to properly set up your physical devices to display test ads consistently throughout development. AdMob provides two methods ensuring you see test ads on your devices. First, using the test unit IDs. These are the special IDs provided by Google that always serve test ads instead of real ones. These are the test unit IDs for App Open, Adaptive Banner, Fixed Size Panel, etc. Second is registering your specific device with a test device. Second, registering your specific device as test device. This ensures your device receives test ads even if you accidentally use production ad unit IDs. For registering physical device, go to Settings, click Test Devices. Here are test device. Here I am using my test device. Go to Settings. Click Privacy, here Advanced, here click Ads. This is the test advertising ID. Copy this one and paste here. Here device name, test, auto. Just save. Now our test device configured in AdMob. For the most reliable testing setup, I recommended using both approaches together. Let's start with finding your device IDs so we can register it at a test device. For the most reliable testing setup, I recommended using both approaches together. Let's start with finding your device ID so we can register it as a test device. Once you have your device ID, add into your app configuration. This is another method. Here, await mobile ads dot instance dot update request configuration. Here request configuration. Here is test device ID. Here just paste. Here you can add multiple device IDs. Here you can add multiple device ID to this list if you are testing on several devices. This is configuration. Another method, once you have your device ID and add it to your AdMob configuration, here mobile ads dot instances dot update request configuration, here request configuration, here test device ID in rectangular bracket, paste your device ID. You can add multiple device IDs to this list if you are testing on several devices. This configuration tells AdMob to serve only test ads to these specific devices, even if you are using production ad unit IDs. You can add multiple device IDs to this list if you are testing on several devices. This configuration tells AdMob to serve only test ads to these specific devices, even if you are using production ad unit IDs. For team development, I recommended creating a file where all team members can add their test device IDs, ensuring everyone receives test ads during development. By properly set up your physical device for test ads, you will protect your AdMob account from policy violations, get consistent test ad behavior across all your testing devices, avoid accidentally clicking on real ads during development. In our next lecture, we will implement Ad Helper class. Remember, always use test ad driven. In our next lecture, we will implement banner ads using test configuration principle. Remember, always use test ads during development. And only switch to production ads when you are ready to release your app. See you in the next lecture.